Hello and thank you for joining us as we take a look at the Ocelot EOS Rear ATV tire. If you're looking to conquer the off-road on your ATV, the Ocelot EOS Rear ATV tire is the ultimate choice. This tire has been built tough, designed smart, and is ready for every adventure. The Ocelot EOS is more than just an ATV tire, it's your trusted companion for cross-country rides and races. With a newly redesigned profile and a reinforced bead, this quad tire delivers a secure seal and unmatched durability. The reshaped profile ensures superior steering and control, giving you confidence on every twist and turn. Plus, the advanced rubber compound provides incredible traction and puncture resistance for the toughest trails. Crafted with 6-ply construction and reformulated rubber, the Ocelot EOS is built to last. Its durable compounds and formation help slow down wear and tear, keeping its shape and performance mile after mile. Comparable to the GNCC Seamaster, the Ocelot EOS Rear Tire has been redesigned to meet and exceed cross-country performance standards. Equipped with stout 15mm tall X-style tread knobs, this tire offers the resilience and performance needed for demanding environments, ensuring both reliability and control for riders. With their robust build, the knobs hold their shape extremely well to deliver stable and reliable handling. A major benefit of the X-knob shape is that it provides multiple biting edges that grip uneven surfaces like mud, rocks, and loose dirt. This ensures superior traction, helping the tire maintain contact with the ground even in challenging conditions. Featuring a non-directional tread pattern, the evenly spaced layout creates channels that easily expel mud and debris, ensuring consistent performance without the buildup that could compromise traction. Another benefit is balanced weight distribution to help reduce the risk of slippage, allowing for greater stability when cornering or riding over uneven terrain. This tread pattern excels across diverse terrains, making it ideal for riders who tackle a mix of surfaces. Available in sizes 20x10.9 and 22x10.10, the Ocelot EOS Rear ATV tire fits an assortment of quads. Whether your journey includes muddy trails, rocky paths, or sandy dunes, or you're tackling a GNCC-style race, don't settle for ordinary. Upgrade to the Ocelot EOS Rear Tire and take your four-wheeler's performance to the next level. Thanks for watching and ride safe.